Ayun. Oras na naman kaya ako nagkaroon.
Ano yan? Lumabas pala kayo? Ay, oo. Leila, hindi ko yata alam yan
Nag-aya kasi si Isay nung isang araw.
Ganon.
Hindi ka ba nainaya?
Hindi.
Naku, sorry next time maayain ka naman namin.
Uy, hi, Cha. Hindi na mamansin. Ano ba problema ni Cha?
Bakit mo natanong?
Kasi kanina hindi niya ako pinapansin. Tapos nagtatanong ako about dun sa activity namin, hindi niya ako pinakulisan.
Hindi mo ba na-realize na baka ikaw yung reason kung bakit nagtatanong?
Bakit lang hindi ko siya inaya? Hindi ba sabi niya busy siya? Tapos last time, sining na lang ako.
Kahit nga, dapat tinatanong ako.
Dapat sinabi niya na lang.
Dapat mo kayo.
Di ba tayo mag-usap?
Oo naman, bakit? About sa ano?
Sorry dahil hindi ka namin nasama dahil busy ka. Last time kasi sining mo lang kami.
Ah, okay lang yan. Sorry din kasi hindi ko nasama kasi pinagdaraanan na kasi ako.
Ganun ba? Ba't hindi mo sinabi sa amin? Wala ka ba tiwala sa amin?
Hindi naman sa ganun. Ayoko na kasi maging burden ako sa inyo.
Ano ba? Hindi ka magiging burden. Alam mo, labas na lang tayo mamaya. Tara?
Tara?
This roleplay highlights the importance of communication in a friendship. Pansel and Charmies are best friends who experience conflict due to poor communication. Charmies has an avoidant personality that makes her isolate herself at tough times, and Pansel saw this as an ignorance fueling their conflict. But later on, they fixed it because of a few realizations inflicted by their other friends, leading them to have a proper understanding of each other. Qualities of true love that were shown in the roleplay were respect, acceptance, and trust. Kwanzaa respected Charmy's personal problems by not judging her and accepting her as she is. Trust was also shown by how Charmy's eventually shared vulnerability. With these traits they exhibited, they chose to make their friendship stronger with love, or often called as failure. While their story seems simple, here is a reflection of reality and how communication has a big impact on any type of relationship. This doesn't only apply to platonic friendship but also to romantic and family relationships. With enough effort and understanding, communication can save any relationship.